Hello everyone, welcome to TradeSmart. In this video, we'll see how you can generate your API app key from your TradeSmart account and understand some important fields required during the setup process. This app key and our APIs can be used to connect your trading system, strategy platform, or third-party application with TradeSmart. So let's get started. First, log in to your TradeSmart Web account. You can navigate from the Products and Tools section on our website or directly visit web.tradesmartonline.in. Once logged in, click on your client code at the top right corner and then click on API. Inside the API section, on the left side, you will find the API App Key Generation panel. You will also get the API documentation, which contains all the technical details required for integration, like login APIs, order APIs, and market data APIs. Beside that, you can set up TOTP using any authenticator app like Google Authenticator for additional security. Now enter the required details. Enter any name for your API app setup. Primary IP address. This is mandatory. The IP address helps secure your API access and ensures requests are accepted only from authorized. You can also add a secondary IP address if required, which is optional. Redirect URL is the endpoint where our API will send the OAuth authorization code after successful user authentication. After filling all the details, accept the Terms and Conditions checkbox. Now click on Generate API Key. That's it. Your App ID secret key will now be generated successfully. You can directly copy them using the Copy button available beside the credentials. Important note: do not share your secret key publicly and always keep your API credentials secure. And that's how you can generate your API app key in TradeSmart.